here. Whoa, hey! No, wait! Hey! Oh! Alright. What?
You have to prepare your anus.
Oh, gee. Oh, no. Oh, hey, put that down. Don't put that down. Put down the grenade. Oh, no. Don't put it down. Freeze! Oh, hey, put that down. Put that down. No, put it down, put it down. No, don't throw it, don't. Oh, no. Oh, no, not again. Hey, don't throw that bomb again.
As long as you don't shoot me. That's it.
Hey, put that down.
No.
Don't, I'll shoot. I will. I'll shoot. I will.
Don't
I will.
dare shoot.
Then put that down. I don't want to get blown up again. Hey, easy. Hey!
Ah,
Hey!
don't dare shoot.
Hey! Don't move.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
For saying that, guess what's gonna happen? Well. What do we have here?
You got me.
A person who invaded my base. I'll give you a chance to you to live if you join the bad side.
I can do that.
Why do you mean that? Okay, run.
Can you help me up?
Wait, I see a drone. So let me see if I have a scope that won't detect it. It's good. Uh-oh. It's good. It's a good guy.
Oh God! I see a grenade. Quick, run!
I'm bringing out the big ones.
Oh my God! I think I see another grenade in there. Oh, quick, run!
All right, I have sent soldiers to help us, and I brought out the big ones.
Okay.
And the big guns.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't know. We just gotta be careful because there are bombs everywhere.
Yeah, they're throwing them everywhere. Is that another drone I see?
I don't know. I don't see one.
Wait, I'll have my night vision scope. See if there's an invisible one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, there's an invisible one right by the tree.
Another.
Shoot him.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right. We just gotta find them. Wait. Right. Oh my gosh, we see a soldier that's on the good side.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Shoot it. Look inside.
But wait. I think I see a bomb. It might be under your chair. It is. Oh no!